Good morning, students. Today is 30 April, Friday, and our topic is animal fibers. In this lesson, we have studied about those fibers which we get by the animals, and those fibers are called animal fibers. In the topic, we have get a point wool. If we talk about from those animals who give us the wool, if we talk about those animals who give us the wool, like sheep and all more that. Okay. If we talk about the breeds of the sheep, Lohi means found in the Rajasthan and the Punjab. Rampur Bushire is found in the Uttar Pradesh and Himachal Pradesh. Nali is found in the Rajasthan, Haryana and Punjab. Bakharwal is found in the Jammu and Kashmir. Marwadi is found in the Gujarat and the Rajasthan. Some another breeds also like Angora wool, Mohair, Kashmira goat. Okay, now they are also some breeds who provide us the wool. If we talk about the process of the process, by that we obtain the wool. We obtain the wool. The first process is shearing. Second process is scoring. Third process is sorting. Fourth process is dyeing, and the last is scotting. And last is scotting. Okay. And, carding. Sorry. Okay. If we talk about the first process, in the first process shearing, the first step involved, it is defined as the process of removing. It is defined that the process of removing fleece with a thin layer of the skin from the body of the sheep. Okay, now in the second process, fleece shaved from the body of the sheep is thoroughly washed with water and detergent to remove sand, dirt, and grease. This process is scoring. This process is known as scoring. After scoring, the fleece is sorted or separated on the basis of color, length, and the texture of fibers. Okay, now fleece of the same time processed together. Next is dyeing. Fleece obtained from the sheep and goats is usually white and brown, black in color. After burns are removed from the fibers, they are dyed in the different colors. Okay. The next process and the last process is carding. In the next step, the fibers are passed through a very series of metal teeth. The process known as carding. In this step, the fibers are processed in the series in the metal teeth. Okay, now that process is called the carding. Okay, now today our topic is properties of wool. We will discuss about the properties of wool. The first property of the wool. Wool is a strong and elastic fiber. It does not break easily and is highly durable. Second, because of its high elasticity, wool does not crash. Wool does not crush as easily as other fibers. When creased while packing, it soon recovers its normal appearance. Third topic, woolen fibers are also resistant of flames. Even if they catch fire, instead of burning freely, the fibers burn slowly without producing any flame. They also stop burning on their own when removed from the source of fibers. In other words, wool is extinguishing. Wool is a self-extinguishing. Okay, now fourth point. Wool is a very good absorber of water. Dry wool can absorb up to 30% of its weight in the moisture. Wool is very popular for its non-conductivity, as it can trap large volumes of air between its fiber. It has very good insulating properties. Wool can absorb dyes very easily and uniformly. Okay, now it's time for your homework. What is carding? You have to explain me that what is the carding. Okay, now class, thank you.